Hey guys, it's Kugli again, and I'm just gonna make this video for a very quick update on why I don't have any videos for, it's gonna be more than a month now, right? So yeah, the reason is it hasn't been a very good month for me. The main reason is, well, my home is undergoing renovations. As you can see, this is my table right now. It's a mess. There are a lot of random crap here which is not gonna be good. My blinds are off because, well, I had to get my room painted. So yeah, a lot of things going on. This is what it is. You can see all the equipments which you can see there. So yeah, there are a lot of things going on in here. So that's the reason I haven't been able to get any time to make any videos. And even I couldn't ride my motorcycles. That's the reason I haven't even been. I'm doing this video with my camera and not while on my motorcycle, because that's my bike. It's under wrap because it was dusty as hell. I cleaned it up, but right now it's on underneath the blanket. So yeah, a lot of stuff going on, and well, I can't make any videos in this situation. So that's the one reason I could not make any video. Let me just close this up because I don't want anything else. And apart from that, well, because of work, I have a lot of courses, and I need to get back on everything. Look at how dusty my place is. My bench is so freaking dusty that, God, this is sad. But there's no point in cleaning these because I don't, every day there is this much amount of dust, and there's no freaking point in cleaning that either. So that's one thing. And yeah, because of my work, I have a lot of courses which are in-house courses. You can see my webcam because the inbuilt webcam on my laptop is not working anymore. I had to get a different webcam for my courses, so sucks. So yeah, I've been busy with my courses. So in the morning, work is going on. There's a lot of messy noises. I cannot make a video in that time, and I cannot have my courses in the meantime also. So at night I have my courses which I have to complete within the set interval of time, so I cannot make the video. That's one thing. And also, if you notice this is my mouse for the time being. This is the receiver for it. Why is that? I was using a Logitech G602. That one is my dream mouse as of now because it has a lot of buttons. It's like 12 programmable buttons, and it's wireless. It's great for a laptop and all that. It's been having issues, so I have sent it off, and I've pretty much grown accustomed to the way I use that mouse, because I had all the buttons mapped up for all the functions which I normally use in Premiere. So it's kind of hard to let go of that and go back to your normal key presses on the keyboard and all that. So I don't want to do that. I'm waiting for the mouse to be delivered back to me in the meantime before I go back. That's another reason I haven't been uploading or even editing the video. I had two videos which were ready to be edited. One was AOS IP, which I wanted to get done, and also Cosmic OS. But as of right now, it's really outdated, so I'm not going to get through with that. So I'll have to make a new video for that. So yeah, the mouse is gone. I don't want to edit back on with the keyboard and all that. So ROM reviews. Well, after I uploaded or made the review for Unleashed OS or Z Unleashed, I haven't actually switched back to anything more exciting. Right now I'm using the Unleashed OS, and if you are stranger to the XDA pages, you already know Unleashed OS, they had a lot of big fallout with the Resurrection Remix team. Not gonna comment on that as of now because, you know, there is a lot of you know, sentiments and all that between them. I'm not gonna comment on that. Right now I am using Unleashed OS in its latest iteration, and you can say that about that. And yeah, not the best situation, but whatever it is, this is what it is. It is the what situation it is at right now. So yeah, I've been getting pretty good battery life and pretty good stats with it as of now. So 0.9% of idle drain. Yeah, active drain is a little bit high because I've been using this for all sort of computation because I need a lot of things for my courses. So yeah, that's been pretty wild. So I just want to let you guys know that I'm not really sure when this thing will be finished, because it's been a while. It's all getting together. In that meantime, I cannot make any videos. I'm sorry about that, but this is how it is. I'm taking a little bit of break. So yeah, I hope you guys understand that. As soon as everything is done, I'll start making videos again, but I cannot say when or how it will start. So yeah, just want to let you guys know on that. This is the reason I haven't been active lately, and because of all this dust, I've been sick. I'm really allergic to all this dust and all that pollen mainly, and I've been having very bad days most of the time. So yeah, man, this is so dirty. I need to clean this up. Anyway, so yeah, I guess that should be it about this video then. Hope you guys understand, and yeah, see you guys later. Bye.